Smarter security for your business starts with the new Lorex X-Series. With person detection, know when someone is on your site instantly. People counting tracks, entry and exits, helping you understand how many people are in store and how traffic changes throughout the day. Intrusion detection lets you define boundaries within the camera's view and receive alerts when they're crossed. Heat maps show which areas of your business get the most and least traffic to help you optimize your layout. With line crossing detection, you can define important boundaries and get notified the moment they're crossed.
Attention, authorized personnel only.
No matter the lighting, Lorex X-Series cameras capture clear, balanced images with selectable lighting modes. True wide dynamic range balances bright and dark areas in high contrast scenes. Backlight compensation brightens shadowed subjects, while highlight compensation reduces glare and overexposure. Compared to standard cameras, the new X5 cameras with true AI color night vision deliver brighter images, more vibrant colors, and higher dynamic range for clearer detail. Outside your business, every vehicle and movement is accounted for with vehicle detection. Wrong way detection alerts you when someone moves in the wrong direction. Unauthorized parking detection notifies you when vehicles are parked where they shouldn't be. Loitering detection alerts you when someone lingers around your business, so you can stay aware of any suspicious activity. To take awareness even further, face recognition lets you capture and recognize faces with precision, helping you keep track of who's on your premises. One camera, two lenses. The X3 dual lens camera gives you wider coverage for large open areas. Advanced deterrence features such as two-way talk and audio warnings help you communicate instantly to warn off unwanted visitors and keep your spaces secure.
No trespassing.
For moments when the action moves, auto tracking on the X-Series PTZ camera keeps subjects in view by panning and tilting, while up to 30 times optical zoom lets you zoom in without compromising image quality, so you can capture clear detail even at a distance. Learn more at pro.lorex.com.